Okay, now tangents. Okay, let's talk about this. So maybe we should talk about this in the other video. However, x's, all these points right here, the x's are cosine and the y's are sine. So each of these x comma y ordered pairs is really the cosine of this angle and then the sine of this angle, okay? And then to get tangent, well, tangent is just sine divided by cosine, okay? Or you could think of it as that it's y divided by x, okay? So essentially, it's this number divided by this number divided by this number, this number divided by this number, this number divided by this number, all around, okay? That's tangent. And I don't even bother with the denominators, because if there's a denominator, they both have it, and when I divide, it'll cancel out. So I only focus on numerators. Let's go write some tangent values down now. I'll write it in red so it stands out. Over here, 0 divided by 1. That's 0. 1 divided by rad 3. That's 1 over rad 3. Can't have a rad in the denominator, so after I rationalize, that's rad 3 over 3. Over here, root 2 divided by root 2 is 1. Rad 3 divided by 1 is rad 3. And here, 1 divided by 0, ooh, can't do that. So it's undefined. Okay, now, over here, all of them are supposed to be negative, okay? So I'm gonna put the negatives down because that's the number one thing we forget, all right? Here we go, y divided by x, this is rad 3. Y divided by x, this is 1. Y divided by x, this is root 3 over 3. You might notice that the higher up ones, that they kind of just match, see? So then in that case, over here, negative divided by negative, all of these guys are positive. And here I have 0 divided by 1 is 0. 1 over root 3 is root 3 over 3. Root 2 over root 2 is 1. Boom, boom is rad 3, okay? I'm gonna put this in parentheses so we don't think those negatives have anything to do with it. And then over here, again, I'm trying to divide by 0, which I cannot, so it's undefined. And here we go. Here, everybody's negative. Negative, negative, negative. Y over x, this is rad 3. Y over x, this is 1. Y over x, this is root 3 over 3. So here is a complete unit circle. I only didn't put the degrees on here because I think you guys can do that. This is 0, then it's 30, then it's 45, then it's 60, then it's 90, and then we just keep going, okay? You add 30 to get to this, 120, add a 15 to get to this, 135, add a 15 to get to this, 150, and then add 30 to get to 180, and then just go around. You could do that. The degrees, I have faith in you guys. But if you want to see me about it, I'm happy to help you one-on-one. Okay. Now, there was a lot of me talking and explaining, you guys, but I really do believe once you've got this down, it shouldn't take more than 3 minutes to complete your unit circle. Good luck.